to talk about how much time you should spend revising. I'm here in the middle of London, time is of the essence, everybody's zooming about, doing different things, getting stuff done, and they're thinking about how to use their time most effectively. Now, I get asked, how much time should I spend revising? And then students give me a number, and it's usually in the area of about 2 to 3 hours a day. And what I respond to that is, look, it's not black and white. The one thing I do know is that you should not be looking at the amount of time and equating that to a set of results. Why? Because everybody does different stuff in that period of time. People revise at different speeds. You've got to figure out, how can I get the coverage of the syllabus done in the time I have left? That's the key question you need to ask. And if that means you need to do 9 hours a day, some days, and then 2 hours a day another day because you're not feeling it or the momentum's not there, then do that. But do not equate your revision to a set period of time. It should be based on, am I covering the ground? Am I covering the syllabuses and what I'm going to be examined on? And if you're doing that, you're going to be in a good spot. And that's all you should be thinking about checking out.